doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties. Today we are in our miniature Target. Well, the toy section anyway, because we're looking at more miniature toys. For those of you who don't know, I'm an adult doll collector. I consider myself a toy enthusiast. There's just something about minis. I absolutely love them. Our miniature Target is mainly stocked with toy mini brands and a few DIYs. Toy mini brands, Disney mini brands, they're all made by Zuru. But lately, MGA has been getting in the game with flashback minis. And I just realized I never added brats to the Target. Well, that's a problem we have to fix. So here we have some brats, minis. I still have a few on my list I have yet to find. And I think that's a new one for me. Yasmin from Rock Angels. And this one is... I've been looking for you. All right, 2 new Bratz minis to add to the shelves. Let's just remove these and put our brats in their place. They're all MGA, so, they can be together. Aww. And they're pretty tall, so they have to go on the top shelf. I like the mini brats because you can take them out of their packaging. The paint is pretty neat. We can play with the mini, then put them back when we're done. Okay, so we've established that MGA knows how to make a mini, which is why I got pretty excited when I saw these on Amazon. Mini Little Tikes Flashback Minis. I bought these on Amazon. They were $9.99 each, which is the same price as mini brats. And personally, I think that's a little high. We're only getting 2 minis versus mini brands, which gives us like 4 to 5, depending on if you get a bookcase, basket, or a shopping cart. But the mini brats were designed to come out of the packaging and be usable and go back in. We can't really do that with all the mini brands. Before we pick a favorite, we should probably open 1 or 2 or more. This comes in a plastic ball, just like a mini brand. We have layers of plastic on the outside. Is there a reason for the ball shape? Because, this one was like a display stand. Just saying. The capsule is blue. On the outside, it says Little Tikes. We have clouds, airplanes, and little holes in the bottom. Inside, we have 2 mini toys and 2 mystery packages. This is a box. It says first slide. You can see pictures on the front. Can we open it? Is there anything inside? Yes, there is, wrapped in paper. And it's a teeny tiny slide. Like, it's seriously small. If it's supposed to be scale with like a toddler, it's a little small for our dollhouse. Here's a Chelsea doll on a Barbie extra mini body. I'm not sure if she's gonna be able to use that slide. Maybe we need a smaller doll. Chelsea's like 7? Let's go younger. I picked up this Barbie color reveal at the Dollar Tree. It was $3 and it has a fruit container inside. Let's open that up and we have more things to open. Okay, we're doing all this just to get a baby right quick. Let's see, how do you open this? That was a hat. This is probably the baby and, oh man, we have to do that whole color reveal thing. Well, it is in the name, so. Why is this baby's head so huge? And it's making a mess. And there's the baby. It comes with a pacifier. There you go. A towel. And of course, the hat. This baby looks a little bigger than the ones that come with the Skipper playsets. And it's a little large for the slide. Here is one of the Skipper babies. And they look a little too large as well. Aw, man. I was hoping we were going to be able to use them with our Barbie toddlers, but even the babies are too big. So I guess this is just something that we can use to stock the shelves of our miniature Target. Our other miniature was Lily Tikes. I think it says that it's a sandbox. And yeah, it's a little turtle sandbox and it actually opens. Why couldn't you be bigger? This is actually pretty cute. I love that it opens. I like that it's painted on the inside. It's just super small, but it works for Disney Doorables. The slide too. Oh, well, that's not what I thought was gonna happen. Take two. The slide too. Yeah, totally not the scale I was hoping for, but our Disney Doorables need love too. What are these other two things in the mystery bags? What is this? And this is something too. Oh, so the capsule does turn into a stand. This piece goes here. Looks like that goes there, I'm guessing. And then there is a little piece. Where'd it go? Here it is. This little piece goes right here. Add the other capsule on top. And then this goes right here to make a stand where we can put them inside and display them. You know, if you want. All right, on to the next one. Yeah. Blue capsule, open it up. Is this the same slide? Again, like already a double, yeah. And that's the same too. I mean, yay! Okay, so we have our first doubles. It's not the end of the world. If we're gonna use them in our miniature target, then doubles are not a bad thing. They are a little tall for my shelves, so we'll just have to place them on top. I only bought 6 of these because I wasn't sure how things are gonna go. Yeah, this is number 3. And at $9.99 a piece, we gotta set some limits. Hey, that's a new one. Little Tikes Cozy Pumper. It's like for a little tiny gas station. How big is this going to be? It's not terrible. It's still tiny though, but it's actually pretty clean. The little hose here can move. The little nozzle can move. Can we put that in there? Can that work? I think it can. There we go. That's cool. Even though it's really small, I think this is something that we could use with our Barbie toddlers. You know, if they were pretending like they were at a gas station, pumping gas for, you know, $6. And to go with the Cozy Pumper, we have the Cozy Coupe. I'm pretty certain our dolls will not be able to fit in this little car because it's like super tiny, but it can totally be a toy car for them to play with. I like that these two came together. Okay, so those two are definitely making me feel a little better. I really just want the little people. If I get those, I will be totally happy. And hopefully today's our lucky day. And it's totally not. We got the jump and slide bouncer, which would be a toy for our dolls. So if our dolls have like their little mini brats out on display, I guess they could use this. Nope. This is even too small. Can we put a Disney Doorable in it? Well, kind of. The other mini is the rocking horse. And yeah. If you are here just for the minis, then this is great. But if you want to use them with other dolls, then the scale is like all over the place. The boxes seem to be roughly the same size, so if you're building shelves, that makes it easier. According to the capsule, there are 12 minis to collect, and we found 6 so far. At $9 a piece, I really don't want doubles. Seriously? And it seems like just with the brats, if you get one double, you're getting 2. The same 2 appear to come packaged together. I could be wrong though. I have 1 left and all I want is little people. Oh wait, little people are by Fisher Price, so that's never gonna happen. Okay, But doesn't Little Tikes have its own brand of toddler toys? Watch it be called Little Tikes. I don't remember. Really? Really? A triple? With only 12 minis to collect, and it seems like the same two are usually paired together, it would appear that the possibility of getting multiple copies of the same two toys is pretty high. But I could be wrong. On Amazon, in the description, it says that Little Tikes minis are all about nostalgia. So these are probably geared towards a collector and not designed to be toys for dolls. Toddle Tots! That's what they were called. I want to see how they compare to the world's smallest toys. The world's smallest toys are perfectly sized for the dollhouse, and many of them are functional. Can you hear that? It just doesn't really work all that great on this smooth surface. The world's smallest toys are larger, but all together, they could be fun in the nursery of a dollhouse. You know, just sprinkled around as clutter. Hey, and I bet we could use them with our mini LOL surprise dolls. The size is actually kind of perfect. Yeah! I don't know if you could tell, but I was kind of disappointed by the scale. But for our mini LOL surprise dolls, it's kind of perfect. And now our Chelsea doll has accessories for her dolls. Can Polly Pocket fit in there? Wait a minute, because she has those bendy legs. Come on, come on. Yeah! Our little Polly Pocket doll can fit in the car. The bouncy castle. Although since her feet are kind of sticky, she sticks to it. How about the slide? Well, there you go. And the rocking horse. There you go. Yeah! You know, I am feeling a little bit of nostalgia. When I was little, I used to love those wooden toys that had like a little wooden ball on a wire maze. You know what I'm talking about? We might be able to make one using some leftover wood or a few layers of paperboard, wooden beads, and paper clips. I take a small piece of wood and sand the edges smooth, unfold a paper clip, and bend it into an arch. Place a bead onto the paper clip and make sure it can move easily. Trim it, then push the ends into the wood. I'm pushing mine all the way through, then I bend the ends to keep it secure. We can also add a little glue if we like. Then we can add another one, bend it in a different way, add a bead, trim it, knowing that we need a little extra for the other side. Let's add one more so we have all the primary colors. Let's make this one have like 2 little hills. Maybe we can put this one underneath. Probably should have did this one before I did the yellow. I glued everything down underneath to make a new toy for our doll. That actually works, giving us a little nostalgia at a fraction of the price. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Mini Little Tikes. It says right here that they're super small. And that's why reading is fundamental. We checked out a Barbie color reveal baby and DIY'd our own mini toy using paper clips. And there are always baby showers going on in the Miniverse, as in Dollstagram's Miniverse. We've been using that term for years. But these could be great props for our doll photography. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.